In this SolidWorks lecture number 17, we will learn to draw that simple 3D model in SolidWorks. In that tutorial, we will use Lofted Boss Base option to draw that 3D part. We have different types of projected and section view in that 2D drawing. You can see that 3 section view which is derived from that side view. Section BB is available right here, and section DD uh, is cut from that point, and section EE which is cut from that point, and also you can see right here. Along with that, we have different dimensions to draw a sketch on different planes in SolidWorks. Similarly, the detail of that area is given in that projected view, and the dimensions are available right here. And similarly, that face dia is given in that view. You can see. Create a new file in part mode in SolidWorks and start sketching in front plane. First of all, we will start sketching from section BB, and the detail of section BB is given right here. In that view, we can see a square of 60 by 60. Now we will place a square in SolidWorks. Just select the center rectangle and place it like that, and set the dimension with the help of smart dimensions, and just exit. Now you can see section DD is cut from the section BB with the distance of 25 millimeter. Along with that, the section EE is cut from the section BB with offset distance of 50 millimeter. Now we will generate two planes with offset distance of 25 and 50 millimeter in SolidWorks. Now in SolidWorks, just select the front plane and select plane under the reference geometry and set the distance of 25 millimeter, and just accept it. Along with that, place another plane with offset distance of 50 millimeter and make it accept. Now we will look into our 2D drawing. Then we know that the sketch on section DD is of a circle which diameter is of 50 millimeter. Along with that, the circle placed on section EE is diameter of 85 millimeters. Now start sketch on plane 1 and place a circle of diameter 50 millimeter. Now start sketch on plane 2 and draw a circle of 85 millimeter. Now when we look into that side view, then we know that the circle is also placed right here, which dimension is given right here, which is 85 millimeter. Along with that, the offset dimension of that circle from the section BB is 90 millimeter. Now we will generate another plane and circle with diameter of 85 millimeter. Just choose the front plane and select plane under the reference geometry and set the offset distance up to 90 millimeter and accept it. Now we know that the circle is of 85 millimeter also. So we just copy that sketch from plane 2 by pressing Ctrl C and paste it on another plane, plane 3, by pressing Ctrl V after selecting it. Now just select Lofted Boss Base option. Now under profiles, select these sketches one by one. Now you can see 3D formation is going to generate with the help of lofted boss base option. Now we will select that rectangle. Now you can see our 3D model is good to see. Now we will draw that face. We know that this face is offset from the section DD, uh, section BB up to 200 millimeter. Now we will generate a plane with offset distance of 200 millimeters, and sketch we will draw there is a rectangle of 150 into 5 millimeter. First of all, place a plane by flip the offset value of 200 millimeters. Accept it. Now select that plane and start sketching on that plane. Just place a center rectangle of 150 into 5 millimeter right here, and just exit the sketch. Again select the lofted boss base option and select that face and the sketch we recently created. Now you can see a 3D formation is created successfully. So our 3D part is successfully completed with the help of lofted boss base option. I hope you learned a lot from that tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like that video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.